What's going on, guys? My name is Brad. I am host of Own the Chaos and co-founder of We Trade HQ, which is a community of like-minded traders that get together and learn from each other and help each other grow and celebrate each other's success. So what do? I help people find success in trading over-the-counter stocks. Over-the-counter stocks are a very volatile, crazy, wild market that we just love because we can make small amounts of money and turn them into larger sums of money. The gains here are outrageous, but it is a risky market. So there's things to watch out for, there's things to be careful of, and that's what I do. I help you guys, I help those within my community and minimize risk in a way that helps them find success in trading and to really see how fun it can be. I've taken $3,000 and turned it into over $20,000 profit in one trade. I've taken $1,000 and turned it to over $12,000 in one trade. And you can see all of that on my YouTube channel. I have it all there for you. But if you're looking to take your trading career and bump it up a notch, we are doing a giveaway of my course that's normally priced at $249.99, and also giving away 90 days of my personalized mentorship that I get on with my students and mentorees every morning from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So the only way to enter into this is go to our Facebook group. It is We Trade HQ. Either ask to join, or if you're already there, every time that you tag 2 of your friends on that Facebook post, you'll be entered in. And it is only running through next Sunday. So it'll be the winner will be announced on my regular Sunday stock watch when I go live on Sunday. So again, go to our Facebook page. If you're not already there, please ask to join. We'll accept you right away. Tag 2 of your friends. You'll be entered in to win that free course and mentorship and learn how to accelerate your trading career. As always, guys, I will see you all before the bell, and B Smith is out.